Madeira, a small Portuguese island off the African coast, is home to a local traditional flatbread called Bolo de Caco. This round flatbread is made from wheat flour, salt, water, yeast, and the surprise star of the show, sweet potato. The ingredients are mixed together in a bowl by hand, and the dough is punched down repeatedly until the right consistency is achieved. It is then transferred to a floured surface and folded into itself until just right. The dough heads back to the bowl, where it rests until it's ready to be formed into smaller balls of dough. The dough is divided into individual portions, and each one is folded into itself one last time, adding flour as needed. The bolos are formed into a circular shape, and then wait their turn for the stovetop. One at a time, the bolo is patted down flat into a hot pan, lightly coated with a bit of flour. When the bottom is golden brown, it is flipped for a repeat on the other side. Once browned on both sides, the bread goes into a warm oven, waiting for the arrival of the rest, one by one, till the rack is filled, and they are lined up in delicious formation. The end result is a fluffy, chewy creation. Best served warm, with butter. Lots of butter.
Good.
And yes, good is a fitting description for this yummy bread. Here's to celebrating Bolo de Caco.